It is a cold day in winter, but it's nice out. And I don't have a fancy garage. So we just got one goal in mind because my girlfriend, she wants to go get a Christmas tree in a couple hours. So my goal today is we're going to get the car properly jacked up, take the tires off because I bought some cheapest tires I could find on Amazon. So we can actually have some tires that are inflated. And we're just going to get the tires off real quick before I go get a Christmas tree. So let's get it. By the way, if you haven't been following, this is a 1973 Maverick Grabber that is in really bad shape, to be honest, but I like challenges, so here we are. Okay, so we have a couple jacks underneath the car. I'll show you. But what we're going to do is we're actually going to hopefully make this thing proper. We're going to put the jacks, we're going to put 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. Get these tires off because we are, after we get the tires sorted out, we're going to be going and working with the fuel tank. See if we can get the fuel tank down and all cleaned out. By the way, I know nothing about automotive repair, so don't do a thing I say. And in fact, if you are a car expert, subscribe to my channel and tell me what I'm doing wrong so I can fix this, because again, no fancy garage, really no fancy tools. Got a lot of tools. My dad had a lot of tools, but definitely no fancy garage right now. Wintertime. All right, let's go. We got this 4-way I found. Might do the job. Kim Search Yield. This has been really good stuff I found. So I'm just going to spray these down real quick and maybe we can get them off. Alright, we're going to try it the old-fashioned way. Got one. A little tough going there. I'm just overly cautious, so I don't want to break those things off. That'd be my luck. So I'm going to spray them a little more, let them soak a little more, and then go from there. Alright, so we're going to let that soak a little more. So the battery died in my other camera, but we've got all the wheels off, but this one. And this one is a real pain in the bleep. Because I don't know what it is. These are lug nuts that were with it. And these are different, so I think these are wrong, and they're just a real pain to get off. So slowly but surely making progress, but I've got all the other ones off.
What am I doing? I was keeping the camera on you.
Yeah. So it says, we got the one stubborn nut right there. Mm-hmm. It says to take this, just a little bit smaller, and you got to beat it on there, and then it should torque it around.
Okay.
Let's see. Alright, do we have a bigger one of these? I feel like we should turn it.
Mm-hmm. I do too. You gonna turn this off while we hunt?
Yep. There you go. You know, they all came off but this one.
I know.
Just this one.
Just this one. You think it's moving?
Yeah, I see it a bit. Oh, look at that.
I seen you made it all the way around. Oh, it really? You think
Got
you
it.
did you really?
Got it.
All right. Persistence.
Yeah.
Persistence. Here you go. Yay!
Got it.
Oh, yes. All 4 tires are off. Yay! Just took us, what, 2 days, 3 days?
I always say in this video, I'm not a mechanic. I'm a real estate expert.
There you go.
Don't do what
We
I
are not
do.
a professional, are we? All right. What button I push? This one to turn it off? You want me to turn it off now?
You can just follow me for a second.
I'll just follow you for a second.
Yeah, because
Okay.
for whatever reason this will turn.
Okay. That didn't turn like the other side did.
Yeah, so whatever reason, that one's not turning. Oh, the other one's turning. What's going on with that?
Yep, you got tires off.
Yeah.
Here, hold this and I'll go get another piece of wood. I know where some thin stuff's at.
Okay. I'll just turn.
Take the break. Take your break.
So this did the trick. Got it off.